Checking your transaction history on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your order history. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order details. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the profile icon or the account option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access order history. Look for the orders or order history section in your account settings. Tap on it to view a list of all your past orders. Step 4. Review transaction detail. Select any order from the list to see detailed information, including the items ordered, total cost, and date of the transaction. You can also find any relevant receipts here. Step 5. Export or save information if needed. If you need to keep a record of your transactions, take a screenshot or note down the details. Some users may also find options to download their order history through the website. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on DoorDash. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app or visit the DoorDash support page for more assistance.